Today we've got a common yet frustrating issue that many of us might have faced, the iPhone not ringing. If you've ever missed an important call because your phone stayed silent, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through the most common reasons your iPhone may not be ringing, and I will show you how to troubleshoot each of these step by step. Let's dive right into it. By far the most common reason why your iPhone is not ringing is because it is set to silent. Now, if you have an iPhone 15 like this one here, on the left side of your iPhone, just above the volume up button here, you will find the action button, and when you press and hold that button, you can actually change between silent mode and ring mode. Now it's on silent mode, for example, and now when I press and hold it again, it's actually on ring mode. In order for our iPhone to ring, we obviously need to have it in ring mode. If you don't have an iPhone 15, then above the volume up button here on the left side of the iPhone, you actually have this little ringer switch. This is not a button that you press, but this is actually really a switch that you can move from left to right, like this. You have to make sure to set it here to the right side in order to make sure that you are in ring mode. Once you've done that, you are in ring mode and you should now actually hear your phone ringing whenever somebody calls you. Now on top of that, we also have to make sure that we have some volume, because even if our phone is in ring mode, maybe we have just not set the volume right. So to increase the volume, simply use the volume up button here on the left side of your phone and increase the volume like that. If this is set to the lowest setting here, then this will also put your iPhone to silent, and if somebody actually calls you, you won't hear a thing. You will also find a volume up and volume down button here on older iPhones. So here it works in exactly the same way. So here, first of all, make sure that the ringer switch is turned on, and after that make sure that you crank up the volume here with the volume up button. Now if you did all that and your iPhone is still not ringing, there's a good chance that your iPhone is actually in Do Not Disturb mode. To check, with one finger from the upper right corner of the screen, swipe down and then search for this moon icon here. If this is activated, you're actually in Do Not Disturb mode. And if that is the case, you will also not hear your iPhone ringing. So make sure to tap on it and turn the Do Not Disturb mode off. If the issue is still persisting after that, you should check if you have call forwarding active on your iPhone, because this is yet another common reason why your iPhone doesn't ring. To double check that, please open up the Settings app, then swipe down until you see Phone, tap on it, then tap on Call Forwarding here, and then make sure that call forwarding here is actually toggled off. Now if none of these fixes work, please make sure that your iPhone software is up to date, which means that you should be using the latest iOS version. With one finger from the middle of the home screen, swipe down and then type in Update. Then on top, tap on Software Update. Now if there's an update for you to perform, you will find it right here, and it will say Update Now. So whenever you see an update here, you should actually update to the latest version. And that's it guys, with these fixes you should be able to solve the iPhone not ringing issue. If after all of this your iPhone is still not ringing, I highly recommend that you restart your device. And if even after that the iPhone is still not ringing, there is a chance that you're dealing with a hardware issue, and in that case you should consult an Apple professional and get your iPhone serviced. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.